Do you rent in Alabama? While home ownership is common in outlying areas, the majority of Alabama residents in cities like Huntsville and Birmingham are renters. In fact, according to the U.S. Census Bureau, there are 360,000 renters in Alabama. Now, the scary part is many renters in Alabama do not have renter's insurance, even though there's a theft of property every 30 seconds. And let's not forget about the fires that happen across the country every 85 seconds. That means renters just like you are coming home to the catastrophe with no protection. That is why, from the Gulf Coast all the way to the border towns of Athens, Effective Coverage is committed to protecting renters and keeping them safe with affordable Alabama renters insurance. The good news is that Alabama renters insurance is very affordable. While the average policy, according to the Insurance Information Institute, is going to run $230 a year, policies sold by Effective Coverage will typically cost less. Now, one thing we know for sure is that folks from Alabama are proud to be from Alabama. Whether you're watching a Crimson Tide football game or seeing your flag fly high above the Capitol Montgomery, this tells us you're not going to be happy asking for help if catastrophe strikes and you do not have the protection you need with Alabama renters insurance. Alabama renters insurance comes with many different coverages, but they can be boiled down into three main categories on a standard renters insurance policy. First is personal liability insurance. This is the part that protects you should you cause bodily injury or property damage to another. Let's say that you caused a fire, you left a candle unattended, or you caused one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires that happens every year in the country. This policy will pay to defend you and the damages that you cause to other tenants and even the building owner. Next is personal property coverage. Things like your furniture, clothing, and electronics would all need to be replaced in the event of a hurricane comes ripping off the Gulf and damages your belongings. An Alabama renter's insurance policy is exactly what you need if that event happens. The last piece of coverage on your renter's insurance policy is loss of use. We took a quick skim over popular websites to see what it might cost to stay in a hotel in Montgomery after a covered loss, and it was not cheap. We're talking $150 a night, and that was a bargain. Loss of use coverage on your renter's insurance policy will pay for that hotel stay after a covered loss. Now here's the good news. You can have all the insurance you need in less than 5 minutes from right now. There's only one full-service insurance provider in the entire country dedicated specifically to renters, and that's Effective Coverage. Just call Effective Coverage and speak with one of our insurance experts for renters, or visit our website and purchase your Alabama renter's insurance policy right there. Thanks for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.